To finish, you're going to gather all your crocheted pieces. That includes the crown, the head and the hair cap, the two arms, and then the body, which includes the legs, the legs joined to the body already. So what I'd like to do first is start off by sewing the arms to the body. So for any part of sewing, you're going to attach the yarn tail to the yarn needle, and you're going to go ahead and sew it to the piece. After you sew the arms to the body, you're going to sew the head to the body. When you're sewing the head to the body, make sure you have both the head and the body well stuffed before you seal it up completely. After you're done with sewing the head onto the doll, go ahead and attach the crown to your doll's head, and you can do it just by tying the ends in the back. If you'd like, as a finishing detail, you can add blush to your doll's face. I have a tutorial on how to do so. If you'd like to see that in detail, please check it out in the video description box below. Blush is one of the finishing touches that I love adding on to my dolls because I feel that it really makes the doll come to life. If you'd like to add fairy wings to your doll, feel free to check out the link in the description box below on the tutorial for that. And attach the fairy wings to the back of your doll, and you're all done.